We'll go over now the written report on one historical or cultural impact. This assignment is worth 100 points. So you're going to choose one of the historical or cultural impacts that we've been discussing, those things that have an impact on the urban education system. So it could be political decisions, it could be poverty, it could be race, and how race is treated within our culture and our country. You may want to check with the instructor to be sure that the construct that you've chosen to write about falls within the parameters of this assignment. And then you'll begin to research outside materials. So you are always welcome to use any of the readings that we've had in class to work on this paper, but you will also need to get some other materials, as we'll discuss below. The paper will be between 1,600 and 2,000 words, and it will include references that detail how this construct has negatively impacted the urban education system, either in a systemic or in an individual way. Okay, so you will have at least 3 references that are not from class readings, and they will be correctly cited within the paper and listed in an APA reference list at the end of the paper. You may also use, as I stated above, as many of the class texts or references as you wish. You are welcome to use sources from the internet, but you have to show that the source that you choose to use is from a reputable news organization or includes academic or scholarly work. The organization of the paper should include an introduction of the topic, elaboration on at least 3 details on how this construct has negatively impacted the urban education system. Each of these details will also be elaborated upon within 3 sections of the paper. So you'll have those details will become sections. And a conclusion that summarizes and connects the details once again to the overall theme of the paper. But I want you to be careful not to merely summarize other people's work. What you want to do is synthesize the work of the authors that we've been reading in class with the findings that you put together when you're doing your research. So it makes a cohesive whole, not just this man said blah, 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 this woman said blah, 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 but these 2 people agree or disagree, and here's how that plays out. Again, the grammar, usage, and APA will be graded under your usage points, so you may lose points for that, but you would not lose points within this particular assignment. If you have any questions, please submit them to the Moodle forum for this particular assignment.